Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the laptop and plug in the AC adapter so the system won't die mid-change. Make a quick backup, and if available, create a recovery USB. This protects you if something goes wrong. Reboot and press ESC or F10 repeatedly to open the startup menu, and then BIOS setup. Timing matters, so be ready. Once inside, move deliberately. You're preparing the environment needed before touching security flags, and that prevents accidental lockouts or data loss. You now find the Secure Boot option. Go to the Security or System Configuration tab and scan the menu. HP layouts vary by model. If BIOS blocks changes, set or enter the BIOS administrator password. This authorizes edits and is reversible. Once authorized, locate Secure Boot and note its current state. If it's grayed out, change boot mode to legacy support or disable TPM temporarily. These steps unlock the Secure Boot toggle. Make sure you understand each change before you apply it. You're finishing up. Switch Secure Boot to disabled and accept any confirmation prompts. Then choose Save and Exit. If you enabled legacy support earlier, revert settings only if required by your OS, otherwise leave them as needed. After restart, verify the system boots into your OS. If the laptop won't boot, power off and reset BIOS to defaults via the BIOS menu or short CMOS if comfortable. Alternatively, use the recovery USB you made. That one troubleshooting tip often restores a non-booting system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.